Here's another pretty card that I made with the Winterly Treetops bundle. I did a presentation for our demonstrator group this summer, and I used this bundle, and that's why I have all these great cards that I made with that bundle. So on this one, I embossed with white embossing powder onto the tag so that it really stands out with that white. And I layered it up, and I used the big die here. Look at that die from the die set. It kind of cuts like a window, and then you can put some designer series paper behind it, and then it shows through. And it just is a neat way to do a card front. So I cut out one of the birds directly from the paper just to make it a little bit easier. And I love that you can just cut up the paper and use it like that. It just makes card making so fun and easy. So I added this on and added a bow, and then we're going to be done. So I will have all the links to everything on my website. I'd love for you to check it out. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com, and I hope you have enjoyed all of these cards with the Winterly Treetops bundle. It really is a fun bundle. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you again soon.